to today's maths class, and today we'll do data handling. First is bar graph, column graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of the numerical data by the number of rectangle bars of the uniform width and different heights, directed vertically or horizontally with the equal spacing between them. बार ग्राफ एक फॉर्म है डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट करने का जिसमें हम इक्वल विड्थ के बार्स बनाते हैं जिनकी हाइट अलग अलग होती है, वर्टिकली हो सकता है, हॉरिजॉन्टली हो सकते हैं. टिप्स: the height or the length of each bar represent one value of numerical data. Next is drawing a bar graph. Bar graph are the simple and attractive figure which can easily be understood now. We will learn how to draw a bar graph for the given data. Example: in the election for the class monitor, the following are the vote cast. Candidates are Ankit, Ashok, Shalini, Prashant and Nikhil, and number of votes each get: Ankit got 15, Ashok 6, Shalini 12, Prashant 15 and Nikhil 9. Draw bar graph for the above data. So solution क्या हो जाएगा? In order to draw the bar graph for the given data, we follow these steps. Draw two perpendicular lines, one vertical and other horizontal. Along horizontal line, take names of the candidate. Along vertical line, take the number of votes. Choose a suitable scale. Here we take 1 unit length, that is equals to 3 votes. Draw bars of equal spacing between them. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? 2 इस तरीके से लाइन बना देंगे. ये हमारा कौन सा हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस. यहाँ पे हम क्या लेंगे? नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट एंड हियर नंबर ऑफ वोट्स. नंबर ऑफ वोट्स एंड सूटेबल स्केल चूज करेंगे. लाइक हमने यहाँ 1 यूनिट लेंथ 3 वोट्स लिए. सो यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ वोट एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू नेम के अकॉर्डिंग जितने वोट मिले हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम बार्स ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. रिमेंबर स्केल वर्टिकल लाइन 1 यूनिट लेंथ, दैट इज 3 votes. Every bar graph should clearly state as to what it represents. Bar should be of uniform width throughout. The bar should be neatly drawn and the colored or the shaded. The scale used should be clearly indicate. The space between two bars should be uniform throughout. So here you can see the bar graph. It shows the votes get by the different students in the class. Clear? Next is reading and interpretation of the bar graph. अब हम समझेंगे कि कैसे हम इसको रीड करेंगे और कैसे उससे डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे, इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करेंगे. While reading on the bar graph, the first thing you have to do is to find out what the bar graph represent or what information is given by it. Means क्या information मिल रही है. Then read the scale carefully to know the precise value of given in the data. After reading the bar graph, you must be able to draw certain conclusion from it. Drawing conclusion is called the interpretation of the bar graph. To understand it, let us consider the following example. Example लेते हैं. Read the bar graph given below and answer the following question. What does the bar graph show? So सबसे पहले हमें बताना है कि bar graph क्या show कर रहा है. So here the bar graph on horizontal axis we have take classes and vertical axis we have take the number of student. So bar graph में क्या show कर रहा है? The graph is showing the strength of school in different classes. Clear? Next is exercise 15.1. The strength of different classes of primary school in 2013 is given below. Represent the data by bar graph. So आपको bar graph draw करना है इस तरीके से horizontal axis पे. You will take the classes and here the strength vertical axis पे. And according to given number आप एक suitable scale लेंगे and you will draw the bar graph. Clear? Next, some more questions are given here. You have to practice them. Practice all the questions of exercise. Next, highlights. The bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data by the number of rectangle bars of uniform width and different height, directed vertically और horizontally with equal spacing between them. उनके बीच की space equal रहेगी. While reading on the bar graph, the first thing is to find out what the bar graph represent or what information is given by it. Then read the scale carefully to know the precise value of given in the data. Drawing conclusion is called the interpretation of bar graph. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.